केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
सही दाम मतलब केसरिया।
Hello dear friends, welcome back to our KSR Textile Company. In this video, I'm going to showcasing you some of the amazing collections which are newly arrived in particular Suti cotton exclusive varieties. In my behind, you're going to be see some of the beautiful trendy collections if our company in particular talking about the Suti varieties. And apart from that guys, in the same cotton concept, we are having on the opposite side also, in which opposite side the concepts like fancy cotton, some of the Gadwal cotton which are highly running in the southern region of India. But today's I'm going to showcasing only in the Suti cotton, especially in the cotton variety. So guys, please watch the video from start to till the end. Many of the varieties, many of the concepts you're going to be like and gonna be seeing. Apart from that, all the concepts you're gonna be like, please share those concepts to the screen available number and they will give you n number of varieties and collections in the form of PDF with particular range also. First of all, in my hand you're gonna be having lovely art of work, these kind of the beautiful concept you're gonna be getting guys. Yeah, 3 color shades in particular, one body of sarees, and apart from those guys, the same exclusive, these kind of the different color shaded designs, same you will be get in the bunch wise. Yeah guys, in particular set 6 to 7 different color shades you're going to be getting, and on those color shades the design will be same but the colors will be different. And these kind of the beautiful unstitched blouse, the same contrasting designing blouse also you're going to be getting guys. Yeah, talking about the fabric and concept quality of the fabric, all you will be get at some of the best quality in today's market. And apart from that, you're going to be liking some of these kind of the light shaded colors design concept, then also this one for you kind of concept. Article name will be violet with blouse you're going to be getting. See, fully beautifully designed work, fully buttas kind of concepts you're going to be getting. And apart from that, these kind of the unstitched blouse also you're going to be getting guys. See, on this also, like already previously I mentioned, 6 to 7 different color shades you're going to be getting. See, next varieties I'm going to showcasing you Ras Leela, the article name will be. See, in these kind of the beautiful concept I'm going to showcasing you, all you will be get at the beautiful manufacturing factory rate. These kind of the beautiful pallu designs you're going to be getting here. And apart from that, on the both the edge of the side, the same concept bordered also you will be getting guys. See, fully you will be get, all you will be get at the 6 to 7 different color shades guys, though no need to worry about any of the concept. And apart from that guys, you're going to be getting in these kind of the beautiful concept also like guys. See, Shri Siya Ram Doria, the article name you're going to be getting. And let me open one of these kind of the concept. See guys, in this all you will be get the different color shades guys. See, beautifully worked, heavy beautiful designs kind of concept you're going to be getting guys. See, all you will be get at the range of like the 115, like 95, 125, 150, 200, 300, 400, that kind of beautiful and manufacturing ranges with rate you're going to be getting guys. See, beautifully I'm opening fully because you're going to be see that there will be not having any kind of the single damages or defectives in any of our sarees guys. See, on that these kind of the beautiful concept you're going to be getting. And apart from that guys, these all our running highly selling concept guys. Yeah, article name will be Aircel you're going to be getting. Please note the article name for you to easy to get your views and share the detailed information to our screen available number sales executive will be there. And let me tell you guys, there will be not having any kind of the language barrier. Yeah, either you from any of the abroad countries, either you from different regional states in India and you speaking any another languages, then also no need to worry, guys. All the languages sales executive person we are having here, so no need to worry about the languages. Just be frank and don't need to hesitate to call the screen available number. And the next concept I'm going to showcasing you with these kind of the beautiful concept with the branding of our KTC, Kesaria Textile Company. Like you're going to be getting like these kind of the social media pages in many of our accounts or also will be there, guys. Yeah, no need to worry. We are 100% like I have to say leading manufacturing or brand in Surat, guys. Yeah. And the next variety you're going to be getting in these kind of the beautiful designs. See, guys. And apart from that, in these kind of the concept like Lado Rani, in this kind of the variety, which highly preferable in the some of the northern regional state of India. Like see guys, in these kind of the beautiful concept. And talking about this, these are very highly preferable in the Rajasthan or Gujarati states. Like these kind of the beautiful concept. And apart from that, in this also you want to be getting a see. Fully Deep Shika kind of concept article name you're going to be getting. And guys, please take the screenshot. If you watch the video, then please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. And please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till that, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, आपकी दुकान है या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर, सब कुछ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे, ताकि आपको अपना व्यापार करने में आसानी हो। स्वयं का व्यापार कीजिए, एक्स्ट्रा इनकम ही नहीं, बिल्कुल एक असली सफल व्यापारी की तरह, ताकि आप दाम और दाम दोनों कमाएं। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करने का मतलब है स्काई इज द लिमिट। कम से कम लागत और कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मुनाफा कमाएं केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं, तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने में। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के प्रोडक्ट्स और कपड़े अगर आप बेचेंगे तो आपके ग्राहक होंगे खुश और संतुष्ट। तो यदि आप केसरिया टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें फोन कीजिए या फिर विजिट कीजिए केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की सूरत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट पर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया। साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का